Hey, to connect Realme GT6 to your TV, first of all, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network on your GT6, and also to the same Wi-Fi network, you have to be connected on your TV. And next, you will have to go into the settings, then go into the connection and the sharing, and you can use the screencast function. So click on it once, and now just click to search for the display devices. Click here to turn it on. Now, as you can see, we can enable audio recording and location. So just leave this selected and click agree and continue. Accept these permissions. And right now, agree this one. Now enable this switchers, click agree one more time. Now turn on location services, turn on Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. And now your smartphone is scanning for nearby TV. And all you have to do is just to select this TV from the list. And after this, you have to also confirm with your remote control on the TV to accept this connection request. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.